The Bombay High Court declared the amended information technology rules unconstitutional, citing their vague and overbroad nature, which could lead to a chilling effect on freedom of speech. Justice AS Chandurkar, acting as the tiebreaker in a split verdict from January 2024, noted that the amended rules violated Article 14, that is, right to equality, Article 19, freedom of speech, and Article 19(1)(g), freedom to practice any profession. The court specifically highlighted Rule 3(1)(b)(5), which mandated the establishment of a fact-checking unit (FCU) with the authority to flag misleading content about the government as ultra-vires to the Constitution. Petitions challenging these regulations were filed by notable entities including stand-up comedian Kunal Kamra, the Editors Guild of India, the News Broadcast and Digital Association, and the Association of Indian Magazines. The court emphasized that the right to freedom for speech does not include a right to the truth and questioned the rationale behind differentiating the handling of information in digital versus print forms. The judge also criticized the ambiguous definitions of fake, false, and misleading content.